Mentaga sengi nak liang jongi ka Jaintia National Council. Hadin bangi layo ka jing khot na ka Commission of Inquiry. Ka ba long chairman da retired Chief Justice R.S. Chauhan. Dan mentaga sengi ngila wan mi support kene ka State Guest House ban aya kene ka bani kendu bat kene ka commission. Ta ka daw ba hi ka jing khot jong kene ka commission ka long ha ka jing ide bar ka kam dewyong ka jongi setai. Hadin bala aje kini ki insiden ki baper apa ka distrik ka jongi. Ta ka jingi kendu bat ngi bat ka commission kila keli nangi ka ka daw ka ba pelong ngi bangi mla ban pentrekam ya kini ka MMDR Act leni ya kata ka open cast mining. Tengi nak yang ka seng la pensyai haki. Ba ka MMDR Act hi karkom kuat jong ka ain mah kata ka open cast. Kami hap bat karkoman karkomlong jong ka khendeu ka jongi hapo Jaintia Khamtam. Ngila keren partikular tangi ka Jaintia Hills ngi klem ya keren ka state. Namar balik ka open cast hi ka karkoman hi jong ka open cast kami hap namar pihak ban klong shwai ka khendeu. Hadin nang tangin sayo ban ti yaw dewyong. Tementang kini ka open cast kalong ka bakta ka mariang namar daki 4 hektar ngin kelong ka kendeu kan sakelas ka duriau ta ka baar nang ta ka jing syong jong dewyong kalong ka bastang hapo ka kalong ka bajeliu bat ka bastang ta ka daw kalong kene ka MMDR kami hap ta na kaliang jongi ka seng la suggest ya ka commission ban exam na yangi na kene ka MMDR Act langba kata ka paragraph 12A section B jong ka 6 schedule. Talada am exam yang na ka MMDR Act ngimla ban pentrekam ya kene ka kam dewyong ka jongi hapo Jaintia Hills. Ta ka jingi keren ka jongi kalong katahi ka bah ka baide badu dewyong. Ta nolong ta kila keli yangi ya kiwe ki jing keli kumno ban thau kilat kilenti. Na ka benta kayo kam yo jam jong ki kun samla hapo ka distrik Khamtam hapo East Jaintia Hill district. Namar lada amla ban treyo dewyong ka kilat kilenti tengila pen sengeru ya ka commission halar ka way na kamat jong ka JNC ka badan hapo ka Safe Jaintia Mission kata kalong baka ka state government kan wanra ya kini ka job recruitment policy haki private sector namar kumbangi kumba POE ba hapo East Jaintia Hill ngibon ki cement factories ibon ki Henry ke bapen ngausi bat ke pentang yangi kum ki trai district bat ya ki kun samlahi baru ka we kalong ba prapeu persen ki bayo kam apa kini ki cement company ki de ki briu ki banaba Henry ki jingyo kam pat jong ki trai muluk kalong khatsan hadu arpeu persen ti bi omdon utang kumta tengila aru ke jingmut long leda ka sarkar ka wanra ya kini ki polisi ya ki private sector kamtam ki industries kana ban wanra kilat yo kam yo jam hakene ka distrik ke jongi ka baar ngila ajing mutru bikin wanra kita ki institute ki ban train ki kena ki ban ai ki kata ka ki skill ki beper bikin la ban apply kam kenya kini ki factories ngila kran ru kumno ban kentiu ya karep keriang namar kum magilong mentah po is Jaintia ngimdan ya kita ki industries ki ba kini ki mariang jong ki pait ba kin la ban pendon kam hakini ki industries kumbalong mentang idon betang kita ki cement industries kilene kita ki coke factories ki ba penjeklia ya kamariang ki ba pen jot ru ya kamariang hendreng idon kam ru ki factories ba kenang kumba ngisaki na ka we ka snam show we ka jingmi jong so nyem tra hapo ka East Jaintia Hills kalong ka ba kebun bakar kompemi usa tengila jumur ka commission bukan suggest ka government ba kila ban wanra ru ya kum kini ki factories ken ban snaya ki umso mah kenang ba kini ki marrep jong ki pait ba ki jongi kin ya kin sa kini ki factories ta ka bakut hi ka commission kala aying ki new pratli ki points bengin wanra da ka jingtho kenang ba ka jing dawa ka jongi kan long ka basai tengi da kalian ka sengrung ngila pensengau hoki bangin sapha da ka jingtho shaki halar kini ki bara ki jingai jingmut ki jongi kenang ba ka jingai jingmut ki jongi kan long ka balong official.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
La khot e ka shnong no ngi kwa yo sngo bhan ka shnong dala khot kalayat dikila pen sngo hina shnong ki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project ki don menta hang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki bay yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha jalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, ka shulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi amnot ngiru hang ni Shuaban take up yung project. Hindi ban suto bakla. Habang yung warra yung investment. Habang yung warra yung bakum kinigi project. Nget yung nga opi kabakaduk yung matoy. Kanlong yung ki konsama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.